Did you know that coughing could help in removing irritants and infections from the body system? But coughing for a long period could make us very uncomfortable. So here are some home remedies to control cough and cold. Number 1 is taking steam. This is an age-old process and is very beneficial for wet cough, which produces a lot of mucus. For taking steam, you need to boil a pan of water. To this pan of hot water, you could add a few drops of essential oil like eucalyptus. Now transfer the water into a bowl. Lean over the bowl and cover your head with the help of a towel. This will help in trapping the vapors, the steam. Now inhale the vapors for 5 minutes. You could repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day. The next remedy is a mixture of honey and warm water. Add 2 spoons of honey to a glass of warm water. Now you could consume this mixture 2 times a day. This will soothe your throat and relieve you from coughing. The next remedy is ginger tea. For this, you need to add a few slices of ginger to a cup of warm water. Then set it aside for a few moments before consuming it. You could add a few drops of honey or a dash of lemon to enhance the taste of ginger tea. The next one is salt water gargle. This is an ancient remedy in which we dissolve half a spoon of salt in a glass of warm water. While gargling, make sure that you keep the water at the back of your throat for a few moments before you spit it out. My next homemade remedy for cough and cold is honey and cinnamon mixture. To prepare this, take a spoon of honey. To this, add a pinch of cinnamon and a dash of lemon. This mixture should be consumed 2 times a day. This is very beneficial in wet cough. Friends, you could create another such beneficial mixture by adding the extracts of ginger to crushed tulsi leaves, that is holy basil. Now to this you could add honey to enhance the taste. Next in the list is spiced tea, known as kadha, and is very popular in the Indian households to cure cough and cold. To prepare a cup of kadha, you need to take a few strands of basil leaves or tulsi, a little bit of peppercorn and some slices of ginger. Boil these ingredients along with some tea leaves in a pan. Boil it for a while, then let it cool. Now you can take this kadha. This is very beneficial to relieve your sore throat. That's all I do have in my bag of remedies. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.